Hello everyone, Northern-Nat here. I am here to do a little bit of an unboxing. If you've watched my last few videos, you're going to know exactly what's in this box. If you haven't, you'll know why I'm so excited in a second. I just hope it's actually what I think it is before I open it. So yes, I have wanted this product for quite a while now, especially in the winter months. Can you tell what it is yet? Yes, it's exactly what I wanted it to be. So I have purchased them myself because Grumpy John was not getting them for me whatsoever. They are my KEiS heated gloves, and I cannot wait. So, oh, the box is already open a little bit. Let us open and see. The box is really nice actually. Ah, look at this. Really nice box. This is the keeping box, this Grumpy John. So it comes with the product range and instruction manual. Heated gloves! A little safety warning, probably so you don't burn yourself. And the most important bits, the leaf. So, oh yeah, sorry, I'm more impressed with the box right now, aren't I? Let us have a look. So I have gone for size 8. So I did the proper measurements on the gloves, and I've also gone for the long wrist one. So they can either go under or over my jacket. They'll be going underneath my jacket. It says on here they have thin chelate technology. But yeah, first look at them, they are really quite nice. You've got the on-off button here, which I believe when they're plugged in you can have like low, medium and high setting, and it changes colour on the gloves. You've got your little adapter there which plugs into your lead. Let us try them on. Obviously I can't plug them in because they need to be hardwired into my bike. Oh, they fit like a glove.
Ba-boom.
Ba-boom. I'm so funny. They come with Velcro on there so you can loosen or tighten the grip on that bit. They come with Velcro up the top as well. In fact, can I cut this off?
No.
No. Grumpy John's saying no. It's his
You need to make
favourite
sure
word.
they're the right fit for you.
You can Velcro at the top there. You've got nice little zips. Oh, that is for the zip there. That is for the battery. So if you didn't want to wire it into your bike, I have actually ordered the what do you call them? Portable batteries. So you just pop them into your glove and then put them on there. So you don't, like when I'm skiing, for example, these will be coming skiing with me. I can't wire them into my bike down a ski slope, so I've gone for the portable batteries, but they are on back order, so they're not with me at the minute. I actually really like these gloves. Really, really, first impressions anyway, without switching them on, they look brilliant. They've got, what do they call that there? You know when
Ribbed.
Ribbed, for your pleasure. Oh my god.
No, for dexterity, Natalie. For dexterity.
They've got the rib thing there, which it's for like being more mobile.
Dexterity.
Dexterity, so you can move easily. They've also got them on the fingerprints. You've got the hard knuckle there, and I believe, yes, it's on this one. On the left hand, it's got the little windscreen wiper blade on the finger there, so that's really good. Wrist protection on both gloves, so yeah, well impressed with these. I need to just remember what model I got so that I can just, was it G601 is the model number I have gone for. KEiS Premium Motorcycle Gloves. So yes, my first proper unboxing of the gloves. First impressions, I can't wait to try them on. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my content, and I'll see you all later. Bye for now.